Let us now step into the sacred workshop, the temple of form, the living field of choice. You are shaping the world through your being. You're breathing existence into form through focus, thoughts, and feeling. As you think, so is your world. The reality you experience is the echo of your consciousness. Each thought becomes a thread. Each image weaves the tapestry of the now. You are the architect. You are the composer. You are the sculptor of the seen and the unseen. The power of infinite being flows through you. Creation begins from within, from the center of your essence. Your environment emerges through your vision. You are the region of the reflection. You shape the mountains and valleys of your life. You call forth rivers, skies, gardens of experience. You are the artist through which divine intelligence flows. Your nature is ever unfolding. It's a workshop of pure potential. It expands with every breath of awareness. Nature offers you its raw materials, time, space, energy. You arrange, form, and harmonize them. You hold tools of great clarity, thoughts, images, feelings, beliefs. These tools respond to your direction. They move with the pattern of your intention. They are always active. They create with your every focus. You use them gently and precisely. You form lightly or vividly. You invite beauty, harmony, love, joy, abundance, and fulfillment. All creation emerges from this sacred space. Your experience of reality is entirely up to you, in the physical realm, as in all realms. Possibility open in every moment. Reality softens to the direction of your knowing. It flows to meet your signature. Creating your life is the art of painting a picture. Space and time are your canvas. Thoughts and images are your brushes and tools. Emotion is your color. You paint with every feeling. You shape with every image. You compose with every choice. You may paint with boldness or softness. You may shape golden tones of peace, vibrant hues of joy, refined details of presence. Each layer reveals more of your inner beauty. Each breath adds new light. You are the painter. Life is your canvas. Each thought a brushstroke of eternity. Creation unfolds through your awareness. Every instant is the moment of expression. Presence invites alignment. Presence tunes you to creation. You are the artist. You are the master of form. Every detail of your life responds to your awareness. Each frame receives your intention. Let your vision become steady. Let your imagination bloom. Let your presence be luminous. Your canvas welcomes your touch. Your world responds to your vibration. You are the composer of what is seen. You are the light that guides the form. You may paint your picture any way you wish, large or small, bold or subtle, whatever you believe and imagine your picture to be. Creation is your natural movement. You're always forming, you're always expressing. Each breath is a living note. Each thought is a thread of gold. Each feeling is a sacred signal. This is your workshop. This is your temple. This is your eternal gift. The content of your aware consciousness is the content of your experience. It's what manifests in your outer reality. The inner becomes the outer. This is the only rule of creation. Consciousness creates everything. Through your brush, your vision becomes the world. Through your being, life becomes the work of light.